Alright, today we're going to be opening this cool mystery box that I got from the cat shop. Let's see what's inside. I've never opened one before. Wow. To start, I've got some stickers. Here's the pack. Okay.
I wonder what's inside.
Oh, it's a footy.
Oh,
And then we've also got a pump.
and a Geelong Cats football
And
pump.
then there's more here.
More?
We've got this. Oh, that's big.
That's a big shirt.
And we've got a jersey. And then we've got this.
Shirt?
And then we have this. That's all for today. Hope you liked it.
Woo! G'day guys, alright, here's my one. I got size 14, you got the size 10 one.
Alright, let's get into it.
Stop, yep, stickers. Oh, premiers. Geelong
Ooh,
Cats,
that's cool.
Pins. Cool shirt. What does it say? Too old, too slow, too good.
Nice.
Next up, we got a long sleeve jersey.
That's nice.
Good one. Alright, see what's in here. And yeah, the same bag as what keanu got. Let's see what's inside of it. Yep, a footy.
Yep.
New one.
And a pump.
Alright, now I've also got this box, this bag. Let's open it. There's box. So it's inside. Oh, some AirPods. Geelong Cats AirPods.
Is there actually AirPods inside? Ooh, that's cool.
Nice ones. That's so cool. Let's see what's else in there. Alright. Oh, nothing in there. Hope you like it, guys. See ya.